Welcome back to the channel, guys. As you can see, the elusive brake van showed up yesterday. I don't know why shipping took so long with that, but it's here. Some other things I've been doing behind the scenes. I cleaned up the parking brake, and I've got new brake pads ready to go in that one. I pulled the transmission cooler lines and drained and flushed those out. And I got the actual harness that goes to the speed sensor. This is like $8 shipped. And I ordered a new speed sensor. This part unscrews. This part unscrews, and then you can put a new this piece in there. So I ordered one of those, but the tracking on it shows that there's a tracking number, but it hasn't shipped yet. So once again, kind of screwed over by waiting on stuff, but I don't think I need to put that in right now. It's not important at this point. I just want to get the transmission back in the Snowcat. But as always, as lately has been, motivation's been pretty low, so we'll see how far we go today. I'd like to just get the transmission assembled as far as I can go, and then once Willow gets home, we can transfer it back into this little spot for it right here, and then I've got the winch and pulley system set up to reinstall that. So figured I'd do a little intro here before my hands got all full of ATF. Let's get started on this. If you're wondering, the technical manual tells you to tighten this adjusting bolt down till it's snug and then back it off 1.5 to 2 turns, and you should be able to just wiggle it. Like, here's the band. I don't know if you can see it. It's just kind of floating on the reverse drum there, which gives the servo enough room to move that around, I guess. Extra. I sure hope I put this together right. I think I did. I think we'll be fine, but you know, there's always that what if thought in the back of your head. New park and brake assembly on there. Everything is torqued to spec. The battery on the GoPro died conveniently in the middle of filming the bell housing and the transmission mount and all these other accessories. I think it died when I was working on the park and brake. However, I did get it finished. There wasn't much left. Yeah. Now comes the fun part of getting this back in the Snowcat and reworking everything to my liking. Since there's some things with the Snowcat that are bothering me, I'm probably going to spend some time fixing those things and putting everything back together better than it was before. So, but as far as this video goes, I think that's going to be it for today, guys. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed yet, I'd love to have you as a subscriber. Stay tuned for this resto mod reconstruction after the transmission failed. Strangely enough, this was the only thing I didn't take apart and rebuild when I did the resto mod. So hopefully this puts a band-aid on everything long enough to enjoy them for the rest of the season. But other than that, guys, hope you're staying safe. Take care. And I'll catch you next time. See you later. Bye-bye.